everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Thanks for stopping by. I have a little journal share here of the ring-bound journal that I've been working on, and this is a design team project for Ephemeras Vintage Garden. And I'm using some of her newest digitals that have an Easter spring-like theme to them. So we'll get started. I will list down below where you can find these digitals as well as her website, and hope that you check those out. This is of course the front page, and this is one we didn't do together. Some of them we have, some of the pages we have done together. But I just love these two little guys. Aren't they just cute? The little lamb and bunny peeking out of the window. So this is I call this the house of tags, because I have these house-shaped tags in this journal. And so it comes with a pocket. Each one of these pages has a pocket that you can slip things into. And these little file folders, you can write on them, you can put pictures in them, whatever. And then this is the back part of that page, and I've got a little envelope that I've left unglued in case you would like to write inside of that. And all these cute little spring and delightful images. And this is the one we did together. I will list down below the different parts of some of the elements that I did in here. And here's the little door that opens up, and these two little girls there peeking out, and it latches closed. And inside this pocket, of course, is another file folder. And these are basically all file folders that are tucked inside there. And on the back here, I have a little lacy pocket, an envelope with a little card on the inside there, and a little closure. And this is another one of those little cute tags with these little vintage girls dressed up for Easter, and combined with some of these whimsical, cute images. Here is a lacy pocket, and a couple more cards tucked inside there with a little bunny, and the cute little nest up here in the attic window. And we did this together. This particular page is listed down below. And then inside here is a vintage photo of a little girl and her bunny, so cute. And a little file folder tucked inside there. Okay. Over here is a swing tag that I have a couple of tags on a string here for journaling. Oh, there we go. Hanging down. It can clip on and off up there. Another place to put a photo or write. And here's one we did together as well. And we have this little altered tag inside here. I've sewn around most of these. Sewn around all the tags and a lot of the ephemera. And here is this file folder here. And here's another swing tag I put up here. I clipped it in with a safety pin, a mini safety pin, with a couple of tags there that also can be moved to somewhere else with some lace there. And here's a little lacy belly band, and I think we did this page together as well. And another pocket that I've left unglued in case somebody wants to write inside of that. And so these get tucked in there. And inside this pocket is another file folder. And on the last page, there's a glassine flip out envelope, and it has a little cute card on the inside there. And this is another page we did together too. And it's got different levels of papers to write on, or tags or whatever, kind of give that layered look when it's put down together. And inside here is one more file folder. So that is the cute little ring-bound journal that I have completed for the design team project. I just love these digitals, had so much fun working with them. And this is not going to be in my Etsy shop. It has another purpose that will be coming up soon. But I just wanted to share this to you in case you want some ideas to kind of incorporate a project you're working with. Thank you so much for viewing. And next time, I'm starting a whole new project. So make sure to subscribe and see what that might be. Have a great and crafty day. Be kind to yourself. Bye.